Hi guys, this is Mihai from DNN Sharp. Today I will show you another great thing you can do with DNN Sharp products. You already know that all the tutorials can be found on blog.dnnsharp.com/1001, and in order to get notified every time we upload a new video tutorial, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search for DNN Sharp on YouTube, click subscribe, and today's video will be about how to trigger file synchronization on your DNN portal by using My Tokens. Let's open the My Tokens Studio and create a new Razor token. Let's call it General File Sync. So under the namespace General, the name of the token is File Sync. What you should use is the following piece of code. The first one will trigger a file synchronization across all the specified portal. You will need to provide a portal ID. The second option is to trigger file synchronization in a specific path in your portal if you want to just synchronize a certain folder, and another one if you want to synchronize all the files from that folder and all files from subfolders. For the video today I'm going to show you just the first option. Let's copy the code here. You will find these codes in the blog article. So we've copied the code, we go to My Tokens and write the Razor script code. Now here I'm going to provide my portal ID for which I want to synchronize the files, which is 0 because I have only one, and save the token. I've previously added a file directly on my disk, and as you can see the last file synchronized is query1, but like I said, I've added a file manually to the disk. I will now trigger the file sync token. You can run it with apply tokens or execute token actions from all our modules. And now if I select the last file added on my instance, you will see that it's the new file I manually added. Keep in mind that we already released a while ago a tutorial that shows you how to automatically trigger file synchronization by using the DNN's scheduler. You should look for the video that shows you how to automatically import data in your database. There you will find how to automatically trigger file sync. This video is just about manually triggering the file sync with the help of My Tokens. I hope you'll find this useful and see you again for another great tutorial. Bye!